Hojicha is a toasty mellow tea, and it also tastes amazing with the spices. I'm starting with crushing a cinnamon stick. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, reusable bat and rolling pin works amazing like I did here. Then roughly chop peppercorns. Slice a piece of ginger. You can also grate it if you like strong ginger flavor. To a saucepan, I'm going to add water, cinnamon, peppercorns, ginger, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder. You can also add cloves if you like. Transfer to the stove top and bring a mixture to a boil over medium heat. Add a dash of maple syrup to your taste. To the freshly boiled water, I'm going to add Hojicha tea bag. Remove from the heat and let it steep for 1 minute. Meanwhile, let's warm up the milk. I like oat milk for my tea and froth it to make it foamy. Now shake the tea bags to drip off all the tea from the tea bag and strain into cups. Top with frothed milk and a pinch of cinnamon powder, and your Hojicha chai tea is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed toasty spicy Hojicha chai tea latte recipe. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!